Good evening, everyone. As you know, I'm Pawan Maheshwari. I'm the student of OCEPS Academy. So here we are going to discuss about a grammar topic, which is relative pronoun. As you know, this topic is derived from pronouns. And as we all know that what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of noun. So there are some types of pronouns in which relative pronoun is that we are going to discuss. Okay. So here is we're going to first of all understand what is the definition of it. The definition says a relative pronoun is a word used to connect an independent clause to a relative clause. It means that we use some words which connect the sentences dependent clause to another clause of the sentence for giving us more extra information about the sentence. Okay, so there are some examples which helps to understand easily. There is word who, which, what, that. These are the relative pronoun words. Okay, so where we use who, where we use which. As you know, this is also used as a question word, but here we use as a relative pronoun which gives us information about the subject, or we say the noun clause. Okay, so starting from who is used for person. Okay, now how can we use it? Here I am giving you an example which helps us to easily understand it. Okay, the boy. Here the boy is a person. Okay, the boy is a person who won the cup is my friend. So here you see the boy is a person who won the cup. Means here we use a word relative pronoun. Who is a relative pronoun and it gives extra information. Won the cup is my friend. So I also write this boy, the boy is my friend. This is the common sentence, but I give it extra information. The boy who won the cup is my friend. So it gives extra information about this boy. Okay, so I hope you easily understand that person. When we use person, so we use who. Okay, now which is used for animals and things. Animals and things. So here is an example. This shirt which you wears is looking good. Let's suppose I am taking this example of this boy, that this boy wears a shirt which is looking very beautiful or good. So means here I talk about the things, or I can say the animal, the cow which gives us milk is beneficial for our health. So here I use the animal word which is cow. So I give you extra information about the animal or thing. So we use which. Now what. What basically is related to our thoughts, what we think. So here we use what word. I know what you think. Here you think means I am thinking something, or I can want to say something. So here we use what. Now that is a word which is used with animals, things, persons as well. Okay, but few words which are mandatory for before using that. This is some, few, or everything. If we use that, if you want to use that, initially we use some, few, or everything. So here I use that there are few books. Here you know that books is non-living thing. So here we use which, but instead of which we use few. We use that. For that reason, because here we use word few. So here we use that I read. Okay? There are few books that I read. Now coming to this when. When shows time. Means I know when you come. So when you come means there is an example that it is a time. It shows a specific time that you when. Or I can give you another example. When Sir Mumtaz Bhatti came in the class, we will start our class. So it is a specific time in which Sir come into the class. So when is used for showing time. Now turning towards where. Where means it is used for location. As we use in general sense, we are used where are you going. We are used as a question word, but here we use as relative pronoun. Okay, so giving to the example like I know where she is going. Okay, so where she is going means it is at a specific place. There she is going. Now whose shows the possession, means something is related to me or you. So it is used with person as well with animals. So it is basically shows this the possession. As I say, this copy whose belongs to me, or I say who belongs to this copy. So means this is a possession showing word. Now, why? Why showing reason? That what is the reason behind it? Giving to the example, I know why he didn't came to school yesterday. Didn't come to school yesterday, because here why word shows that there is a something reason, that there is a reason, that's why he did not attend the school. So this is all about the pronoun, relative pronoun, which helps to understand easily that how we use them. Thanks a lot.